In this video, we will provide steps on how to use Blackboard Collaborate and Microsoft OneNote for dual mode course instruction. The use of Microsoft OneNote with your XP Pen Artist 12 tablet will capture whiteboard instruction for both in-person and virtual learning. Using these technologies will help in eliminating the classroom whiteboard glare for students attending class virtually. OneNote provides many additional instructor tools and is a solution that can capture all of your course notes, illustrations, audio or video clips, handwritten instruction, and more. We recommend using Office 365 OneNote for access anytime from anywhere to your files from any computer or mobile device. Please see the help sheet for further information on how to create a OneNote course notebook. A link has been provided in the comment section below. Once in the classroom, connect your laptop and XP Pen Artist 12 tablet to the instructor's workstation. A video and help sheet are provided in the comments below with step-by-step instructions on connecting to classroom technology. Once your laptop and your tablet are connected to the classroom instructor workstation, using your browser, log into Blackboard. Navigate to the appropriate class under My Courses. There are different ways to access Blackboard Collaborate tools. For this example, we're going to navigate to the Collaborate Live Classroom link located in the left navigation bar. I have a session already created titled Week 1 Monday, but if you needed to create a new session, select the Create Session button. For this example, I'm going to select my Week 1 Monday session. And next I'm going to select Join Session. The first thing we need to do is to verify our laptop is connecting to the classroom's Lumens camera and Jabra microphone. Select the purple tab in the lower right corner of the screen. Under the Settings icon, we're going to select Set up your camera and microphone. In the audio test window, verify the Jabra microphone is selected. Speak out loud to verify the purple audio bar moves when you speak. If so, select Yes, audio is working. In the video test window, verify the Lumens camera is selected. If you see yourself, select Yes, video is working. If either the camera or the microphone were not working during your test, troubleshooting and tips are available in the help sheet provided in the comments below. Next, we're going to select the Share Content icon. In this section, we will select the Share Application screen to view our OneNote course notebook. But before we select this link, navigate to a separate tab in your browser, and we're going to open our Microsoft OneNote course notebook first. Search for Office 365. Navigate to your OneNote. I'm going to select my Math 102 notebook. Once your notebook opens, return back to your Blackboard Collaborate session, and under Share Content, now select Share Application Screen. In the Share Your Screen window, I'm going to select the Chrome tab link, and then I'm going to select my Math 102 notebook. Next, I'm going to select Share Audio if you have an audio or a video clip that you will be sharing within your notebook. And next, select Share. Blackboard Collaborate will notify you that you are sharing this tab. Once you are ready to start your class, we recommend recording your class presentation for students who may encounter unexpected technical difficulties joining class virtually. Select the Open Session menu and select Start Recording. A recording icon will display in the upper left corner of the screen over the Open Session menu icon. Make sure to share your audio by unmuting your microphone and share your video. Select your Math 102 tab and begin your instruction. Once you have concluded your lecture or your presentation, select the Open Session menu icon and select Stop Recording. A confirmation message will display showing that the recording has stopped. And finally, select the Open Session menu icon one more time and select Leave Session. Learn more about accessing your Blackboard Collaborate recordings by selecting the link provided below in the comments. To learn additional methods of building your course curriculum, contact Blackboard Help. If you encounter technical difficulties, please contact the Technology Help Desk.